Hey, good morning. Sonia here with Just Botanicals, and I am actually doing some quick stuff in the lab to get some stuff out today, and I just wanted to go ahead and share. I haven't done my face or anything yet today, anyway, just throwing that out there. Okay, so here's the deal. I am making cleansers today because I had only one and I have 3 to get out today, and so this is how I make fresh handcrafted, right? But these are my new bottles. Aren't they cool? This is my beginning stage cleanser, but I got these frosted clear bottles. I also got some purple ones, purple frosted, but for one of my other day lotions, so those will be up next. But this is gonna, hi Jerry, but this is the Gentle Cleanser, the new bottle, which I love, and there aren't essential oils in this particular formulation, which is why I feel comfortable going with the clear bottle. So really excited about that. And also I just wanted to offer a little tip when you're making a biphase product like this. What a biphase product is half oil-based ingredients and then half water-based ingredients. So, oil is heavier or lighter than water, so it's of course floating on top, and it looks like there's a lot more because I do it all by gram weight. And then what you end up doing is having to shake, and then you get your lotion, right? And so when you spritz it out, it comes out kind of creamy. That's the idea. But what ends up happening when you make a batch like this that's 1,000 grams, right? Then I end up having this sort of effect, but in the beaker. So I have to constantly be stirring, and mixing it up to try to keep, a kind of a, see, as you can see, there are already some different, actually. So I'm gonna have to come back. Look at how much more cream there is in that one. Oh wait, that's the one I just shook, that's why. But still, you see how hard it is to get them to be perfect, right? And so when they start to get super low, I have to go back and then rechange the bottle out. So the one thing I did, and usually it's a lot more different across the board, it's just tough to do. So what I did today is I actually tried something different, and I poured it into a smaller container so I can keep it stirred up. And I don't even know if that worked better or not, and I'll readjust some of these as I need to. But that was just one little tip that I have tried, and I will keep trying to try to get more of an even distribution of the lotion, or maybe mixing it up a little bit more. I know anyway, we're finding a machine. I think there's a machine out there that might do it. But that's just the tip for today. So when you're making a larger batch of a biphase product, to make sure that you're aware that the oil will separate from the water. So you want to keep it mixed up or go into a smaller portion, or do smaller portions, so that you can keep it creamy while you're trying to pour. So that's the tip for today. Thanks for joining, and have a good day. Bye.